ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಿನ ಒಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಲೀಗ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಾದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈಗ ಪಿ ಯು ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 + x. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ B3 ಯೂನಿಟ್. B3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ 1 + x ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ n. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ SN ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟು n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ GP. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ B, 1/r to the power n plus 1. Then if AM and GM are roots of quadratic equation. So third question, the answer is D, x square minus 10x plus 16. Angle between the lines x plus y is equal to 3. The line joining the points 1:1, 3:4. So 3, 4 is minus 3, 4 is. So fourth question. So answer for this is C. Fifth one, equation of parabola. So answer is A. So sixth one, limit of root 2 cos x minus 1 divided by cot x minus 1. So for this, the sixth one, the answer is C. The seventh one, negation of the statement. For every real number x square plus y is positive. So for that, the answer is C. Then let A, B, C and E be the observation. So the answer is D, yes. So let f of r give rise to r be given by f of x is equal to tan x. Ninth question. So the answer for this is B. Then the 10th question. So 10th question, the answer is C. 11th question. So 11th question, let g of x sin x is equal to sin x and fog of x sin root x to the power whole square. Then the correct answer for this is C. 12th one, let A. So the answer for this is C. 13th question, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z is equal to 3 pi. So here the answer is C. Then 14th question, if 2 sin inverse x minus 3 cos inverse x. So answer is B. If A is square matrix. So the 15th question, the answer is C. 16th one, answer is B, to the power 9a. 17th. So 17th question ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 17th ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನೇ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಸೊ 17th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. 18th, if P is equal to, answer is C. 19th, if A is equal to, answer is A. 20th, let f of x is equal to, answer is B. 21st, which one of the following observation is correct? So answer is C. 22nd, the function of f of x is equal to cos x. So answer is 22nd, B. 23rd, if y is equal to 2x to the power 3x. Answer is B, 6. Let the function satisfy the equation f of x plus y. So answer is A, 6. Then 25th, the answer is B. 26th, d by dx. Answer is D. 27th, answer is B, a point of inflection. 28th, the function of x to the power x is not more than x is more than 0. 28th question. So answer is C. 29th, answer is B. 30th question, answer is D. 31st question, answer is A. 32nd question, answer is D. 33rd question, answer is B. 34th question, answer is C. 35th question, 35th, answer is A. 36th question, answer is C. 37th question, the area of region bounded by line y is equal to 3x. Answer is D. The area of region bounded by line y is equal to x. 38th question. The 37th question, the answer is D ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So for this the answer is 37th question, the answer is B. 9/2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 38th question answer D ಬರ್ತದೆ. 0.5 square unit. 39th question, answer is D. 40th question, answer is A. 41st question, answer is √33 C. 42nd question, answer is B. 2 CU units. 43rd question, answer is C. Theta is equal to 2π/3. 44th question, answer is D. 45th question, answer is A. 46th question, answer is C. 47th, answer is A. 48th, the equation xy is equal to 0, 3-dimensional space represent. Answer is C, a pair of planes at right angles. 49th question, answer is A. 50th question, answer is D. 51st question, answer is C. 52nd question, answer is B. 53rd question, answer is B. 54th question, answer is A. 54th question, 53rd is B, right? 54th question, answer is B. 54th question, sorry, 54th question what they have given is answer is C. 55th question, answer is B. 56th question, 57th question, 55th is B, 56th is also B, ಎರಡು ಬಿನೇ ಇದೆ. 57th question, answer is C, C square by AB. 58th question, answer is once again C. 59th question, answer is B. 60th question, answer is A. So these are the questions with the solution. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣಂತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.